Not at Finlaystone Country Park. Towards the top.
That's a bit better.
The weather's not looking that great today. Good for the ducks. Hopefully it clears up a wee bit. Get some sunshine. This is the steep bumps. This is the entrance to the country park.
Your destination is on the right.
I'm here now, so I'm going to see the waterfall down there. So wee cottages and a bit of autumn colour. Go and see what we can get. Oh, that's the waterfall. Up in a bigger P. Right, well the waterfalls are all turned off because the guy's on holiday. So there's a dribble. It's no matter. It's just not enough. So, I just need to walk about some of the woodland paths and see what people are.
A lot of nice colours, but
Yeah. So for this shot, I've set up, I'm sitting here and it's on that wee screen. I'm using this wee screen as a monitor. So I'm going to focus just there at the bottom of the waterfall, take the first picture anyway, just to see how it looks. As you can see there's a wee circle there closing the waterfall. I'm going to use that. So set that up, take this picture, I'm at f11 in 6th of a second, just focus right there, 2-second timer. It's away, there we go. As you can see there's a wee bit there, a bit of movement I could probably use in that circle there and then get a longer exposure. As you can see, I've done the camera anyway, but that's the monitor. This is 30-second exposure now, as you can see. It's turned out okay, the circle and image will be floating in the leaves. A bit of bubbles, which has a bit of interest. So I'm going to keep that picture. So this one was just obviously at 30 seconds. I'm sure it was F11 and it's a long shot. So I'll keep taking some more. I'll move back slightly for this one, including that wee walk there in the foreground. I'm still at F30 seconds, I'm at F7.1. My ISO is 800 because it's a bit dull the way it's overcast. So 30 seconds should give me a good circle in the water where the leaves are. There you go. It's working out okay. That's exactly what I want. As you can see, the circle there adds a bit of interest. So I'll take some more pictures. So for this one, I've moved over to the left a bit. I need to take my ND filter off. There we go. Now I'm going to move my shutter speed up till I get a focus point so I can see. So we're still at 7.1800 ISO. So there we go. Now I can see, I can focus. So I'll move my focus point. I'll move up to the waterfall. focus from right there, from the first shot. That's me focused. Now I need to turn it back to manual. So now I'm going to put my ND filter back on. I've got my ND and my polarizer. So now I'll take the shutter all the way back down to 30 seconds. 7.1 ISO 800. 2-second timer. Click. And that's it. 30 seconds. We wait. Take a couple more. So coming over again to the left to this wee tree stump here with the ferns sticking out. I'm going to try and incorporate the ferns and the tree stump in this shot. Maybe a landscape shot, but right now it looks like a portrait, but landscape I think will do this one fine. Settings will be similar, probably 3 stack. Try and get the ferns focused because they're moving slightly. So I'll need to go up the shutter speed for them. Hopefully it turns out. It looks okay, so we'll give it a try. So, where are we? We're this side or that side? Right, so I've put the 100mm macro on just to see what I get. We're up at the. What's this? Oh, I better keep it this way. I'm upside down with the camera. Oh, there's Anne taking photos. There's a swan there somewhere. Has it disappeared? It has. So we're here now. I've just got to go up the forest, see if there's anything I can catch on macro using the 100mm lens. See what I see. No, the swan's right there. Thought it disappeared. See, let's try to get fed. There's no chance. And my biscuits. How would you photograph this old tree? It's a wishing tree. Big old tree. As they say, it needs a bit of fog. Scary old tree. It's still got ghouls on it for Halloween. Nice. I'm on my way home now. The guy wasn't there that operates the water flow system for the waterfalls, so he was on holiday, so oh look at that, see that's quite nice out there. I think I'll go over there and photograph that. Look. Misty. Misty Isles. So I'm going home anyway, so if I've got anything I'll put a wee video together for next week. I'll try to keep my eyes on the road and see the mountains there. Is there anywhere to stop? That's